Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We had a lot of fun making the earthquake video last week, and that led us into talking about more emergency preparedness. I was doing research and saw really good comments of leaving shoes underneath the bed because there's a good chance you might be walking on glass. And we also have our hiking clothes down here. Let's actually prepare the kit now. Our bug out bag and emergency kit will be our wilderness backpacking gear, but we also have a lot of car camping gear. So if we are able to drive, we will take these with us. Let's get this half organized first. The car camping and miscellaneous outdoor gear is all done. These will be our main bug out bag, emergency kit, and wilderness backpacking gear if we cannot take a car. We have a bear canister because we are in California, our shelter, sleeping pad, toiletries, headlamps, water filter, kitchen cookware. Let's get it all packed. These will be our go bags, bug out bags, wilderness backpacking gear, emergency kit. The sleeping bag is stored in the puff state because it is down and we don't want it to be permanently compressed in a backpack. I'm sure this will change in the future and we will slowly make it better and better. But for now, video 61 done.